Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to create, find, delete, use and send custom stickers on Samsung. Firstly, launch the Gallery app on your Samsung phone, then open any image where you want to add the sticker. Tap the pencil or edit icon at the bottom of the screen, then select Gallery icon, then tap Stickers. Tap the Gallery icon to open the sticker library, then tap the plus icon. Select an image to make a sticker and your phone will automatically clip the subject from the background. Next, tap Next, choose a sticker style, then tap Done. The sticker will now be saved to your sticker library and added to the current picture. Tap on any saved sticker to add it to your photos. Long press a sticker in the sticker gallery. You can edit it or delete it. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.